Evening. I am Ayush from Uttarakhand. Currently belong from Uttarakhand. Currently, I am pursuing data science course from SkillCure Academy. Now, today, I am going to present an Excel presentation on last 5 year data of cyber attacks. Okay, so these are the main data available here. So there are some incidents IDs of last 5 years, and these are the company names where the cyber attacks happen, and this was the incident dates. These are countries where the cyber attack happens. These are the types of attack where how many types of attack were happening in last 5 years. These are the security grades. Basically, gold represent the high security, silver represents some low security, and bronze represent the least security. And these are the industries where the cyber crime basically happen, like industrial, consumer, and healthcare industries, information technology there. And these are the incident years, and these are the total financial losses happen by a company. Okay. So these first of all, this dashboard indicates that the which type of cyber attack happen quality wise. Like in bronze category, the highest cyber attack was ransomware attack. Okay.
What is ransomware?
So ransomware was a attack through which
What
uh,
is the characteristic of ransomware? What it do in the system? What kind of data they are collecting?
ransomware is a type of attack through which I will send some file to you, and now then you open the file, and it will duplicate in your system, and it will crash the system by full storage.
Okay.
Okay, and according to silver, the most of the attack was also ransomware, which indicates 95 claim ID, that 95 claim was happened in a ransomware, through ransomware. And in gold category also. So through this dashboard, the insights with all the categories, the most attack was happened was ransomware, the highly attacked. And after that, this dashboard indicates that the cyber attack by industry, like in which industry the cyber attack was happened. These are the this chart indicate that the cyber attack happen in that countries that are not listed in top 500 in S&P. Okay, and according to different countries, we will indicate that how many attacks were happened. Like in communication service, there was only one attack of, and in consumer directory there was 6 APT attacks, 3 backdoor attack, like this. And after that, this dashboard indicate that the top attacks. These are the attacks happen in last 5 years. Like ransomware, there was 228 cases of ransomware, and the least case was happened by a backdoor. These are the top five countries with most of the cases of attacks, like USA, Germany, Canada, France, and most of the cases was done on USA. These are the chart which indicates that year-wide trend of cyber incident. In which year, how many incident were happen, of which attack. Like if we want to know that from backdoors, in which year how many attacks was happened. So in 2021 there was only one attack, and then in 23 there was 4 attacks. According to quality wise also, grade wise. Like in silver, there was only one attack, but in 2024 there was 6 attacks happened by all over country. And these are the this dashboard this dashboard indicate that top 5 data breaches happen in a country. Like in top countries is USA, and then Germany, then Canada and Australia.
Okay.
And these are the year-wise financial losses all over the countries. Like these are the top 10 countries of in which the financial losses happen. In 2021, the most of the financial loss was on USA, which contains 2,450 million financial loss, and the least country was 80.
Least country was?
Wait a minute. In 2021, the least country was uh,
What happened?
didn't remember the country name.
No issue. Might be it's a Taiwan.
Yes.
Okay. Then,
So it was a year-wise law
so why
financial.
everyone attacking on the US market? US market having a like they are very expert in these terms of the IT and all. So
Yes, sir.
so
Because
why the everyone attacking on the US market and they are very successful?
sir, this may be the reason that why everyone is attacking on US, because they have a lot of data. There are there are headquarters basically of majority of the uh,
Hmm.
company.
Hmm.
So there are a lot of data there. So
Hmm.
that's why everyone are trying to attack on US to find get or more and more data.
Okay. Why India is not here?
Yes, sir.
Why India is not here? India.
Sir,
Why China is not there?
so China is here. There are 9 cases.
India.
Sir, in India, I think there are not so many.
So you mean to
There
say
is India, 19.
19 cases. India there is a 433 cases, not 19.
Wait a minute. Yes, sir. There
Okay.
are 433 million loss.
And what about the 2025 scenario?
In 2025 scenario, the most of the cases was happening also in USA.
And there is no case in India, only 19 cases.
Yes, 19 million.
What is your insight? What you want to tell to the company, like what has to be done?
According to this data set, my insight is that the most of the cases in top five uh, last 5 years was ransomware. To we have to work on our security grade through which we can prevent the attacks which are most commonly happen, like ransomware. So we work on that security level to so that at that time in upcoming years the ransomware attacks were not happen. So our losses will happen less.
So what you will suggest to the company, how you can minimize the ransomware attack? Have you find out any kind of initiatives, any kind of tools, any kind of security checks we can apply in the system? Have you explored anything? हिमांशु ये सब हिमांशु नाम क्या है? आयुष.
हम्म,
आयुष ये सब चीज़ें आपको अंडरस्टैंड करनी है ना. जब आपको दिख रहा है
हम्म।
इतना बड़ा है तो आपको गूगल पे बैठ के रैंसमवेयर को कैसे हम प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं वो सब भी तो बताना है ना. वो कौन निकालेगा बताएगा बताओ आप.
Sir, to prevent from ransomware, first of all, we have to use लेटेस्ट
यार मुझे
लेटेस्ट
नाम
अपडेट
नाम बताओ, लेटेस्ट
लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स ऑफ एप्स.
नाम बताओ ना, ये तो जेनरिक स्टेटमेंट है, नाम
Yes.
बताओ।
Sir, basically, ransomware attack what happened when the you didn't update any app. Okay, so due to some security low security level, the ransomware attack what happened. So to prevent this, because every company works on their application to make their security better, they will release an update after first of all, like you are working on application
Application, यार application used by the consumer
like
and
your
customer. We are
like
talking
your
about the company. We are talking about the company, not consumer customer. If you are talking about the company, so there should be some platforms, there should be some additional services which is provided by the other company for security checks. तो वो हमें सिस्टम में इंटीग्रेट करना होगा, so that कि we can prevent our data set, we can prevent our this kind of attack. ठीक है, एप्लीकेशन तो यूजर होता है ना, तुम्हारे मोबाइल में एप्लीकेशन है, बट यू आर नॉट ऑनर द कंपनी।
yes sir,
ठीक
but
है,
it was also the reason of having attack on a company.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन हमें और भी चीज़ों पे हम काम कर सकते हैं क्या,
Yes.
वो समय आयुष बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन था, लेकिन जब मैं इनसाइट की बात करता हूँ, मैं प्रेजेंटेशन देखने क्यों बैठा हूँ? इसलिए थोड़ी बैठा हूँ कि आप एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाओगे और चले जाओ। प्रेजेंटेशन देखने के लिए इसलिए हम बैठे हैं क्योंकि कंपनी आपसे अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहती है कि आपने एक डेटा सेट पे काम किया है, उससे क्या आपने ऐसी इंसाइट निकाली जो मेरे बिजनेस को सेव कर सकती है, सिक्योरिटी चेक पे हम कहाँ पे काम कर सकते हैं, कहाँ पे हम लैग कर रहे हैं, और क्या क्या हम चीज़ें आपने 4-5 ऑप्शन बताओगे सर, दीज आर दी कंपनीज, दे आर वर्किंग ऑन दी सिक्योरिटी चेक, दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग द सिक्योरिटी चेक बेटर। ठीक है, दे हैव अ सब सिस्टम जो हम अपने यहाँ पे ऑफिस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, टू सिक्योर अवर डेटा सेट। तो ये 4-5 ऑप्शन भी तो आप दोगे ना, दोगे कि नहीं दोगे? कि आपको प्रेजेंटेशन हो गया खत्म, ऐसे नहीं होता ना, ऑप्शन देने, सोल्यूशन भी तो देना है।
Yes.
आपने ऐड कर लिया, इशू क्या है, अब इशू का सोल्यूशन भी तो आपको देना है, तो व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन, सोल्यूशन आप दे नहीं पा रहे हो। ठीक है आयुष, क्लियर है? तो
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट टाइम जब इस तरह से कुछ चीज़ें आती हैं तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, चैट जीपीटी पे जाना है, गूगल करना है, अंडरस्टैंड करो क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो इस चीज़ को मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं हम जिस चीज़ से, उसकी एक प्रॉपर शीट बनाओ कि ये 3-4 अटैक हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं, वो 3-4 अटैक को रोकने के लिए दीज आर दी कंपनी जो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे काम करती हैं, और इनका कोर बिजनेस ही यही है सर, ये यही चीज़ पे काम करती है कि किस तरह से हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के डेटा सेट को, सर्वर को सिक्योर कर सकते हैं, तो हम इनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है,
Okay.
क्लियर है?
Yes.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड। और कुछ है आपके पास दिखाने को?
नहीं.